The openpyxl library is a powerful tool for automating Excel tasks. It allows for programmatic manipulation of Excel files, enabling efficient data workflows. With openpyxl, you can automate repetitive tasks, reduce errors, and enhance scalability in data processing. This makes it an essential tool for industries relying on Excel for data analysis and reporting. Excel is the industry standard for data tasks, yet manual operations are time-consuming and error-prone. The openpyxl library offers a Python-powered solution, automating tasks without needing Excel installed. This is perfect for server environments, enabling efficient financial consolidations, marketing dashboards, bulk data processing, and streamlined reporting. openpyxl is a versatile Python library for handling Excel 2010 plus formats like .xlsxx and .xlsm. It offers programmatic access to workbooks, cell data, and formatting. Advanced features include cell styling, formula calculations, chart creation, and image embedding. It integrates with pandas, enhancing data science workflows without needing Excel installed, ideal for automated and cloud environments. To install openpyxl, use pip. Pip install openpyxl. Import essential modules like workbook, load workbook, and styling classes such as font and alignment. Verify installation by checking the version and performing basic operations. These steps ensure you have the foundational tools for Excel automation, enabling workbook creation, file loading, and chart generation.